Hello and welcome to another video. Functions h and k are defined by, we have h of x to be 3 over x and k of x to be x plus 5. Write down an expression for composite function hk of x and hence solve the equation hk of x equals to 1. What will be the value of x? Write down an expression for k, that's a composite function kh of x, and hence solve the equation kh of x equals 6. Okay, so what I will do first is to write the expression for hk of x, that's a composite function hk of x, using function h and k. All right, so we're given h of x to be equals to 3 over x. Okay, and also function k of x is equals to x plus 5. Now, the first question is for us to write an expression, okay, for the composite function, hk of x. Okay, so which means I'm going to put k into what? H, okay, as x. I'm going to put this into h as x. So which means hk of x is when we have h of kx, and that will be when we have 3 divided by k of x, which is 3 over, so x will now become x plus 5, which is k of x, and this is the expression. So the expression for hk of x is equals to 3 divided by x plus 5. Hence, solve the equation. Okay, now to solve the equation, hk of x equals to 1. So it means that the expression for hk of x, I'll set it equals to 0. So that will be 3 over x plus 5 is equals to 1. I'll make it equals to 1. Okay, so that will be equals to 1. So that 3 over x plus 5, which is equals to 1. So when we cross multiply, in this case, this will be 3 equals to x plus 5. Then I'll bring this here, 3 minus 5 equals to x. X equals to minus 2. So that's for A. Then B. Okay, B. Write down an expression for k, that's composite function kh of x. Okay, to write an expression for kh of x. So it means that I'm going to put h of x, okay, into k of x. Okay, so it means that for kh of x, that is when we have h of x plus 5, and that will be h of x is what we are given to be x plus 5. So that will be x plus 5 plus 5. So that this will be x plus 10. So kh of x is equals to x plus 10. That's the expression. So the expression for kh of x is equals to x plus 10. X plus 10. That's it. All right. And hence solve the equation. Okay. Now to solve the equation, composite function kh of x equals to 6. That means that for the x, I'm going to write kh of x equals to 6 to be x plus 10 equals to 6. Then I'll carry this over to the other side so that we can have x equals to 6 minus 10, then the value of x will be minus 4 in this case, while the value of x is negative 2. Okay, for this one. And we've come to the end of this tutorial. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.